This is a La Mesita platform, and after answering a few simple questions upon joining, you'll be taken to this welcome page here where you can read a little bit more about what we're doing with the network. And then once you're in the site, you'll notice that it looks similar to other applications you've likely used before, like Facebook, where you can see what everyone has posted to the network. You can reply to a post, you can share post, and then when you're ready to contribute yourself or share something with the network, you can just simply type it in the box up here. And if you want to share, say, an article, you can click embed the link, and then it'll pop up. And other things you can do in the network, over on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see the navigation pane that has some other options. So if you go into topics, you can see all the different topics, and if you would like to look at something specifically, like for example, if you just want to see job postings, you can open up the job postings topic and scroll through to see all the jobs that have been posted. You can also go to the members section and see all the members in the network, and this is pretty neat too, but you can click this near you link. So if you feel like you're in a remote part of the state and you want to see if there's other people out there doing this type of work, you can see here in this section members that are physically near you. You can also look at events, and this is where you can see all the events that are occurring. And again, you can click nearby to see events that are just happening near your area. And you can click into the event to see more information about registration and location. And if you'd like to add an event, you can just click this plus sign here and then type in the details. And one final thing I wanted to point out is if you look up in the top right corner, you'll see your picture, and if you click on that, you can edit your profile. So you can go into your profile here, you can add a little information about you, and at the bottom you can choose which topics you follow, and that means which topics will you'll get notifications for or will show up in your feed. So for example, if you don't really want or need to see the job postings on your feed, you can just take them off. And you can further specify how you get notifications by going into this notification section. And you can say, I want to receive them by email, or I want to receive them on my cell phone, or both, or neither. And if you would like to receive them on your cell phone, it's pretty simple. You can go to the App Store and download the Mighty Networks app. It's free, and then search for La Mesita. And then here you can see how you can specifically indicate what you would like to receive notifications for. So for example, if you don't want to receive a notification every time a member joins, you can turn that off. But if you'd like to see when people comment on your post, you can turn that on. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Megan Robertson. I'm always happy to help. Thank you.